This cabin 2429. This is an ocean view. Let's take a look. As you're coming in, there's three closets. There's a decent sized one behind the door that's all hanging. It's actually bigger than this one. This one's also all hanging. There's a little cubby down at the bottom for your shoes. The particular cabinet, this closet, is all shelves, or you can lean the shelves up and make it hanging. There's a little bar that you can put on there to make that hanging. Coming further in, you have a nice sofa that can convert to a bed. Love that. And a coffee table. Over here is your dresser. There's 4 drawers. This one here has your hair dryer in it, and there's 3 more. Little stool. This here is where your mini fridge is. Power-wise, you've only got one 110 outlet and one 220. Behind here is your safe. You have a small TV. There's also some cabinets there. I didn't mention, though, there's also drawers underneath the sofa. Now, over by the bed area, this particular cabin does not have any extra power by the bed, which you see is currently in its king configuration, or you can have them separated. As I mentioned, this is an ocean view, so you have a nice picture window. You can see what's going on as the world passes by you. Yep. All right, let's go look at the bathroom. I like the space in here.
Me too.
Old school bathroom, right? Curtain, I mean. There's no glass. Most of the new ships all have glass doors. This is a curtain. There's a shower and soap and shampoo. All right. Toilet's in a great place for someone my height at 6'4". And then, of course, you have 3 shelves on this side, 3 shelves on this side, makeup mirror, power. Nice. Big mirror and a single basin sink. There's a little bit of storage down there, too. So there you go. There is your ocean view. Love the ocean view. All right. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao.